those things. So we need a separate. Yeah. Let me get it.
Good morning. My name is Jody Smith. I'm a medical and dental assistant here today.
Right. So you're of Jamaican heritage, right?
I am.
Who in your family is Jamaican?
Both of my parents from St. Elizabeth.
And where were you born?
I was born in New York.
Born in New York?
Yep.
Okay. Big up New York.
Big up New York.
Alright. So but you grew up in a very strong Jamaican home, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Tell me something in Jamaican patois.
What to go on?
Go on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So today's day one of the mission trip, and you're heading out to St. Thomas to volunteer out there.
Yep.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm excited. It's my first trip, so I'm excited to see what I can do to help everybody and help the team and, see what impact we can make here.
All right, so you have a sister here, right?
I do.
And she was here last year.
She
did
was.
A very good job.
I heard.
You heard about it? Right. So you want to also, who's older? You're her.
She's the older one, yeah.
The older one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're walking in her footsteps.
Exactly.
So why is it so important to you to volunteer and to give back to Jamaica, your country of your heritage?
Because I feel like it's always good to give back to anybody in unrepresented populations, and if we are able to do so, then we should really make the effort to be here and give back to our community when we see people.
All right, well, thank you so much for your service.
I'm honored to be here.
Appreciate you.
It's a pleasure.
I hope you have a great time, and I hope you'll find some purpose also and get something from volunteering here in Jamaica.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Honored to be here.
Have a good day.
You
Okay?
too.
Well, I'm Rosemary Mason. I'm one of the nurses here on the Jaja Foundation mission
All right, for 2024.
for 2024.
So
Mission for
excited to see
Change.
you again. I'm so excited that you're on board again. Eh?
I am excited to be here. I don't think there's anything that could stop me from being here.
Right, so the big question for you today is why do you keep giving back? Well, you come every year. Why do you keep coming back?
I keep coming back to Jamaica because I realize that there is a need for people to have medical care. And without medical care, simple things, simple screenings, people can die from that. And so when you can, whatever little that you can do to help in Jamaica, it is vital. So that I want to be back here every year. Yeah.
Well, thank you for your service, and we, the people of Jamaica, really appreciate you, okay?
Happy to be here.
All right, thank you.
Good morning. My name is Victoria Mizell.
Where do you work at the station?
I'm a registered nurse and I am a former endoscopy nurse.
Right. So, this is your first year volunteering with Jaja Foundation.
My first year, yes.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Why was it so important for you to be here this year?
Because I want to give back to Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica and so I want to help the Jamaican people. And I think it's a very important thing.
Well, I only see at our fundraiser in New York.
Yes.
I know you're on board working.
Yes.
You're going to volunteer on the ground.
Yes.
Okay, well, we appreciate you and welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you have an amazing experience here.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Have a good one.
Hi, my name is Nurse Joan Rose Green, and I am a part of the Jaja Foundation voluntary team.
First thing we're going to do is we want you to hold up here and show us what you're having here. Oh my gosh, some Jamaican apples right there.
Right.
All right,
The bag
so-
was full.
Oh my gosh.
I gave them, everybody said, where did you get that from? I'm in Jamaica.
Right, so I'm sure some of our foreigners are enjoying the apples, right?
Yes, I gave them to them. I gave the girl from Japan and she said, oh, this is so good. Said, I got some more Jamaican stuff for you.
Right, so you've been volunteering with Jaja Foundation for many years now.
Yes.
Why do you keep coming back?
Well, what better way to give back service to the people in the country of my birth, Jamaica. And Jaja Foundation is an organization that I have grown to love because of the camaraderie with the people and the way they care and really show that they are interested in the people of Jamaica in bettering their health care, dental care, and their overall well-being.
Well, thank you for giving back. I really admire you and your dedication.
Yes,
We greatly appreciate it.
I wouldn't have it any other way. Jaja all the way.
Thank you. We're here with Dr. Emma.
Yes.
Day one of Mission of Change 2024. Work begins right now. Find yourself.
We ready to work.
Yeah. So you're going to St. Thomas,
Yes.
and you're going to be at a community health fair.
Yes.
Are you excited to see the people and work on the people?
Absolutely. I'm super excited. We're going to serve primarily children today, but we know adults will most likely show up as well. So we're ready to do patient education, do some fluoride varnish, give out toothbrushes, of course, and take some people out of pain. We're here to provide care, and I'm super excited to do that and serve the community.
Why is volunteering so important to you?
Volunteering is important because we are immensely privileged to be able to have our health, to be able to receive our licenses, to do the things that we're able to do as a dentist. So it's required. We have to give back. We have to give back to the community, and we have to give back to the people that don't have the same access to things that we do.
Okay, well, I admire your enthusiasm about the mission.
Yes.
And I wish you the best of luck today. I know it's very
Yes.
wishing you all the best today on your trip.
Yes, it's going to be amazing. I'm super excited.
Hi, my name is Katisha Dillon, and I am a paramedic and RN.
Alright, so we're going to be out the very first mission trip in Jamaica.
Yes, it's my first time, and I'm so excited.
We're going to St. Thomas, Dallas.
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
Great.
You enjoy that you're going to be able to make a contribution to the people?
Yes, and especially since it's a primary school, it's a younger population, I'm very excited to see how that goes and teach some kids some stuff.
Okay, well, thank you for coming on board. We appreciate you. And we hope you have a good experience out there today, okay?
Me too.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Claudette Powell, a registered nurse volunteer with Jaja Foundation.
Right, so we're going to be off now to the first mission for the season. We're going to St. Thomas, right?
Yes, we're on our way to St. Thomas. They call it the Forgotten Parish. And Jaja did not forget St. Thomas.
Okay, so are you excited about what's going to be going on down there today?
Oh yes, like we always have been doing. We know that persons will be waiting for us and we'll be ready for them.
Okay, well, I must say to you that I admire your dedication and your give back to the Jaja Foundation and many other organizations that I see in New York. Alright, you're an exemplary Jamaican. I really admire you, okay?
Thank
I
you.
appreciate you.
Thank you. And it is a good feeling. I don't do this for a reward nor to be recognized. People will ask, how do you do it? And it's a very hard answer for me. And they say you're born to do something. I think this is one of those things. But I know it is so rewarding. It's immeasurable. No dollars can pay me for this type of trip.
Well, I said I give up the wrap up time because the bus ready to go.
Yes.
Thank you. And
Thank
have a
you.
safe trip, okay?
Yes, and you have a good day.
Big up Jaja Foundation. Yeah, man.
Bum, 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 bum.